Introducing N0 Local, a private AI workspace for working with files and creating real documents on your own computer. First, the result. A finished document assembled from useful AI answers, ready to edit and export. Now the workflow. Start from a clean workspace. Attach a PDF. Ask a focused question. Save the answer that matters. Your saved answers become notes. Your notes become structure. Then N0 Local assembles them into a draft document. Use AI Edit to polish the draft. Review the improved version. Export the final result to Word or PDF. Most AI tools stop at chat. N0 Local keeps going. From file to answer, to saved note, to finished document.